When we decided that we will not move towards Islamabad Press Club, they used at 1 p.m. they employed many forces, and they used violence and beaten children, women, and arrested 300 men and 70 women and more than 10 children. And after that we were shifted to this police station. There is no basic facilities there. All of our phone mobiles were snatched. We were not allowed to contact any person, not our lawyers, and we were forced to sit in a small cell. More than 53 people we were there, and there was no food, and many prisoners are there, and it was a very disastrous night. One of our fellows got sick at last night, and we shouted that please take her to the hospital. We don't want to don't let us out, but take her to the hospital. But they didn't even let her out. It's totally illegal. Even they didn't showed us our FIR, that on which basis they have detained more than 52 women, children, and most of them are elderly, above than 79 years age, and they are part of this march because their sons were abducted by the state-backed security forces, and now the state-backed security forces are killing people in fake encounters. Now when the court gave us bail and we are free legally, they have also detained us there in this station, and they are forcing us to go to back to Quetta, and not letting us to sit and do protest in Islamabad. I request all the international community to please join the movement of Baloch women against Baloch genocide and be our voice. This movement is not over. We need your voice. This movement will continue, and we will shortly announce our movement schedules in social media. But we need your support, because we are living in Pakistan, and we have been detained, kidnapped and arrested, but none of the HR groups have visited us. No one have considered this issue as a human rights issue.